What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today we're going to talk about AMC. I talk about it every day because I want to, keep everybody's minds open to the fact that this is going to make a move, or I believe that it's going to make a move. Now, you don't have to take everything I say as the truth. This is not financial advice. It's merely just my opinion. So when I talk about AMC and I talk about how it's going to go to the moon, I talk about how it's going to increase, it's going to short squeeze and all that stuff. This is all based on my opinion, and it's not, I'm no expert. I don't believe there are any experts out there, whether they say they're an expert or they're not an expert. I don't believe there's a single expert out there that knows exactly what the stock market is going to do unless you truly control that stock and have inside information. So if you call yourself an expert, then you know somebody that has inside information, which means you're doing some sort of insider trading. But I'm going to leave it at that. But we're going to talk about AMC in this video. We're going to go through Ortex data. We're going to go through a couple of articles to give us some information. And then we're also going to go through the price and maybe give my input on what I think about the position and go through my positions as well. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure you check out some of my links in the description. If you guys want to join the Discord group, definitely do that. I did a Discord stream earlier this morning. It was like 10 minutes just to basically get a feel for what I have there. But we should be able to do basically like a video conference where it's more personal. You see me, I may see you. I can hear you guys and can hear your questions rather than reading them. So we can go through a list of questions with a small group of people. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely hit that link in the description to Patreon. And we do that every morning at 9:30 when the market actually opens. And we can have a conversation on what we're seeing. And maybe we can learn some things from other people that are smarter than me, because I have my own strategy. Doesn't mean that I know everything. I'll tell you that. But anyways, let's get into AMC really quick. So AMC currently, when we look at the short interest, it's at 17.05%. Shorted shares at 87.21 million shares. We saw borrowed shares of 1.25 million. Return shares of 1.31 million shares. So just a subtraction in short interest change, right? So we're seeing that 0.06% change. If we look at the shares on loan, we're going to see 105 or almost 106 million shares on loan, while looking at utilization at 87. We also want to look at just this article here, Motley Fool. I know I don't like to talk about Motley Fool, but they do give some points basically talking about what we need to look for in Q3 earnings, what we need to look for in the information at hand. Basically, we're looking for a huge improvement over last year, over this quarter last year, which I believe we will see with all the movies that have come out, Marvel movies that are supposed to be making their way. We're just going to see improvements time and time again. AMC stock, we all know, is up a crazy amount, more than 1,000% in 2021. And AMC currently has $1.8 billion in cash, which should be enough if they have any type of issue and, to get them through the length of the pandemic, right? So let's go ahead and look at the rest of this article here just to understand it. So in months ending June 30th, AMC sales were up 444 million, which is a huge improvement over the 18.9 million in the same period last year. They administered billions of doses. I feel like that number is very high, but billions of doses, right? And people are more comfortable visiting theaters. Now, it wouldn't be a Motley Fool article without dragging in the negative here. You're looking at 10 stocks that we like better than AMC Holdings, which I don't believe you should have anything that you like better than AMC, because it is going to go to the moon. And when I say to the moon, I mean a crazy number. Now, this is all my opinion, what I believe it will go to and what I plan to make a move to. And everybody has their own strategy, so you build your own. I don't want to tell you exactly what to buy and when to sell and all that stuff. So make your own decision. You'll find more success if you start making successful decisions and don't follow anybody else. But we also want to look at this. So Dan McDermott, They promoted Dan McDermott to president of entertainment, and AMC Studios expands oversight. So this is good to basically expand his oversight to business affairs, acquisitions, which is definitely something I want to highlight there, scheduling, as well as consumer PR. Has most recently served as president of original programming for AMC Networks and head of AMC Studios. So he was added on in March of 2020. So it's great to see some movement on the way up, some growth within the company, some positive news when it comes to giving them different roles and different opportunities. So I really like having that information there. Well, now let's get into the information that you're here for, and I understand that you're probably waiting a long time to understand what's going on here. But AMC was up today in the actual market open. It did increase right from the start. We thought this was going to be a positive day. I really did think it was going to be a positive day. As I saw in the morning, I did see a pullback, but then once I started seeing this resistance point, I started realizing that we might see a stair step on the way up. I think we were right here where I questioned if we were going to see it create lower highs and then lower lows, but then it created that higher low, which indicated an upward trend. Still over the 200 EMA, if we're looking at the 1 minute candlesticks, increased all the way up to $36.07, but then started to create lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, all the way down to a level of $34.91, lower than where it opened at. And then we did see a little bit of hope, a glimpse of hope, but then it started to decrease some more. So we understand that they are still shorting the position. That's exactly what we are seeing. We're not seeing a ton of volume in general. It's up to 23 million shares worth of volume today. It closed at 35.24, up 1.37%. And currently in the after hours market, it is down about 0.28%. Now, as we look into what did happen today, right? Is this anything that we need to just give up on the position? No. As you can see right behind me, 900 shares. Right above that, you're going to see that I have a call option for 145 for December 17th. So I truly do believe in the position. And the call options cost me about $1,000. And obviously the shares are quite a bit of money as well. So I do believe in the position. I do believe in where it's going to go. But this is my overall thought. This is where I believe it's going to go. You don't have to copy me. You don't have to make the same moves that I'm doing, because you're probably not going to be able to make the same moves that I'm doing. Whenever I decide to sell a certain portion of my position at certain highs, then maybe I will make that move, and I will probably let people know, hey, this is what I'm doing. In the Discord group, I'm selling 20 shares, at this point. It's at $1,000. I'm selling 20 shares. I'll take that. You know what I mean? That's what I will let people know, but I'm not going to sit here and settle for where it's at now, because we know it's going to be a lot higher. We know the impact, we know the increase is going to be a lot higher. So I'm expecting to see hopefully some better information or some better movement in the beginning of November. Let's push past tomorrow. Fridays have been like off and on, good and bad days. So let's just hope we see something good tomorrow, something decent. But we know Fridays tend to be not that great, because they want to pull it down to not hit certain, strike prices. They don't want any of your options to be in the money, right? They want it. They want everything to be out of the money and just not make money off of it. That's just how they roll. They want you to lose as much as possible while they're losing as much as possible, and they're trying to gain something back. So let me know what you think about AMC. I did post a video on Shiba Inu. I want to post a video on some other crypto topics as well, but I don't want to post too many videos. So yeah, there's just a lot to talk about. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want more content and more like quick content on stocks and crypto and all that, check out my MP Shorts channel. I upload probably like 5 videos a day very quickly, where I just go over different topics in 1 minute spurts. And if you guys are interested in getting something very quick, sweet, and to the point, if you guys want to look at maybe FAMI stock or SOS or GME or whatever, you'll basically get that with the MP Shorts channel. Also, check out my Discord group. Again, if you guys want to sign up for that, it's $5 for the Discord link. And you can get started there, and we can have those live streams every morning. I think we're going to narrow it down and all that stuff. It's going to be really fun. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching and all of the love that I received in the live stream today. We had our highest live stream by volume in a while. I think it was close to 400 people. It's been a while since it's been that high. So I appreciate everybody that showed up. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.